Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The price of gasoline will ease off its all-time high tomorrow. That will see a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline going for 28 cents less. Automotive diesel is also down by 8 cents, while low sulfur diesel will sell for 42 cents less. The price of kerosene is down 53 cents, propane is down 84 cents, while butane will go for 45 cents less. In the meantime, the price of oil settled higher today. Oil for delivery in September is up 76 cents. That brought its price to $69.28. Now, the value of the US dollar eased off its all-time high today. Trading ended with the greenback selling for $133.60. The Canadian dollar is going for $103.47. The pound closed the day at $176.62, while the euro is going for $154.91 on average. The JMMB Group is looking at delisting all of its shares from the Barbados Stock Exchange. Its shares will, however, continue to be listed on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. JMMB says one of the reasons for the delisting is the low level of trading. Shareholders will be asked to provide, or rather approve the proposed delisting at the company's annual general meeting, which is to be held on September 19. Now, the JSE index lost 34 points today, while the junior market index gained 30 points. Among the winners were C2W Music, Dolphin Cove, Elite Diagnostic, General Accident Insurance Company, Honeybun, ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Distributors, and Mayberry Investments. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cement Company, Fosrich, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, NCB Financial Group, Panjam Investment, and Sagicor Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.